Hey guys, welcome back to my desk where we are officially surviving this crazy exam prep together of NEET examination. Welcome to day 2. I'm actually recording this right now at 12:27 am while editing this video at night, and only a tiny bit of GOC is left right now. Let me show you how my day went today. I started my day with the chemistry module and then moved over to my laptop to watch a few lectures as a revision. After that, I took a quick break and ran off to my evening math classes. When I got back home, I was totally tired, so I took a quick nap to recharge. And the moment I woke up, I sat right back down to finish up the rest of my chemistry targets. And then now I'm just finishing up the last few pages of GOC, wrapping up this edit, and finally healing to sleep. Day 2 is the proof, yes, that you can handle a crazy PCMB schedule if you just stay focused. I'll be sharing all my things further also, so be with me and let's see